नॉमिनेशन फाइल कर.
So are you confident in winning of all 30 seats?
See, like I said earlier also, we are campaigning on development and what we've accomplished for the city of Panjim. Based on that, I think we deserve all 30 seats in the sense that the level of development we've got, all the issues that we've resolved, we've done a lot in these 5 years. So like I said, I'm hoping that the people of Panjim see all of the work that we've done and vote accordingly. Okay?
Right, one more thing.
Today
How this panel
Minister Babuji is not
No, he's just not feeling well. Nothing. No problem. No, that's the only reason.
Right.
He's just not feeling a little well.
Okay, darling. One side there is Ami Ponjekar and one side is your panel, which you are leading. So how would you react on that?
No, see, like I said also, I just want to wish them the best of luck. And Suren, as all of you know, has accomplished a lot during his career. If you'll ask him what exactly also, I'm sure he's told you like 100 times also. Now, we again see, everyone has good candidates on both sides also. It's going to be a tough competition. We're not taking anybody lightly. Like I said, whoever the candidate is also. And I just want to say best of luck to all of them.
One more thing is that there is no doubt once a panel gets selected, that you will be the mayor again. So how would you react on that?
No, see, it's nothing like that. Obviously, the party will sit and they'll decide. There are a lot of, like Uday had said, there are a lot of mayors that are present also, I think ex-mayors also. So the party will decide and see who's the best candidate for the thing. So they will decide accordingly.
सुरेन म्हणता की त्याच्या वॉर्डान तुम्ही तेका सपोर्ट करू ना म्हणून कामां करपाक सो तेणें पर्सनल आपले हे लावन तुझ्या कामां केली म्हणटा त्याच्या वॉर्डान.
No, see, not support means like we have done whatever we've done. See, if you ask anybody in the ward, it's not like no work was done. The work was perfectly done in his ward. Now, Suren has slept for 5 years and he wakes up only during election time also. So any candidate who's in opposition will say the same thing also, no? Because they have been capable of doing anything.
In the last 5 years, if you go to see, smart city issues have been worrying about you because you have faced major of the criticism from others, may it be other political leaders and all. How you have seen all these things and how is the present position of the smart city works?
See, there were issues regarding to smart city also. I'm not saying that. The thing is that whenever people needed the help and everything, we were on the ground. Right? We made sure that a majority of the issues were solved. Like I said, Mala used to flood every day for 15 years and this is the one, I mean, ever since the project got completed, we were there, I think, before the project launched also in the night with Badami and all. And that was, I think, the first time, even during heavy rain, that Mala did not flood. So our projects have brought relief to the population of Panjim. So everything that we've done is very evident for people to see also.
And in the last 5 years as a mayor, what are the things that you would like to take forward in these elections that you have done best or achieved best for the city?
See, as of now, it is just a continuation of everything that we're currently working on. Right? What I want to do basically is we want to build up that pride in Panjim and that sense of community. That is personally what I am looking forward to do. Apart from that, our regular work continues, right? They have not... See, the municipality, no, at least my belief is that the municipality should always be in the background. People should wake up, the city should be clean, they should not have any issues. We have not raised taxes in the past 5 years. We have cut costs throughout the municipality. We have done savings throughout the municipality. We have not burdened anybody additionally. You know, that is something that I take immense pride in also, right? Because we have tried to help the people wherever we can and we will continue that going forward.
So
Rohit, are you happy with the smart city work right now? Are you happy with the smart city work?
So far, there is no issue with any of their things also. See, Baba, I remember when Smart City was going on, especially during those roads next to 18 June Road, everybody criticized. But today, 18 June Road has not flooded. It didn't flood yesterday and it didn't flood the year after that. So the work that has happened through Smart City is pretty evident. There have been issues also. Even I agree to that. But whatever has been done has benefited the people also. There are issues here and there, we will resolve those issues. They are applying for zone change. So we want extra FAI to benefit the people also, right? We want more shops, we want more revenue and everything coming to the population. So that is also in process.
But it is in process or...
It is in process, it's in process.
So what are you asking voters this time?
No, see, what I want to ask is just vote for what you see and what you feel that is correct. Now, we have been there consistently for 5 years. Okay, we have not left the city. Minister's office has been open throughout the year. Our office has been open throughout the year. The moment there are issues, we resolve all those issues. See, we are not appealing based on emotions. That is not what we want at all. We are asking you to just see. I remember 5 years ago, right? People had not seen a single CCP worker on the roads. They did not know who the supervisor was. There was garbage all over the place. We came there and we changed all of that. My staff wake up at 6 in the morning. I'm there in the morning to check on them. At 6:30, we see, Papa, what has happened through Panjim also now. See, now if your Prime Minister also acknowledges your state and the population, no, it's not a small thing. It's a big thing. Out of a population of 1.5 billion people, if he acknowledges your city, it's something to be proud of, right? So we are working towards that.
So Panjikar against casino movement will impact upcoming CCP election.
See, that again, I told you, it is all politics. Okay, if they have the intention to shut casinos, then they should do whatever they feel is correct. They cannot target the population. We have nothing to do with it at all. Let them go to the ministers and chief minister and everything. We'll have actual control over it.
पण कसिनो लागून पणजेकरांक त्रास जाता तो सपोर्ट करता काय अपोज
See, that
करता
is
कसिनो
not, see, my stand on the casinos is clear. I have told him 100 times. It is not changing also. If there is an alternative to the casinos in Panjim, I'm more than happy to take it. But until then, until our businesses, until our locals, until our boys and all benefit from it and they have jobs, and they, see, these people now, tell them to go to the casinos outside and tell them every goon who comes out, now tell them that these people have no right to feed their families and all. See if they do that also.
So, and
Today we
last
have got Babush Monser.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन बाबूश मनसरत पणजे एमएलए तू मेयर आशिल्लो पण पणजेचो मार्केटाचो इशू अजून रिझॉल्व जावकूच ना
Which issue?
पेंजी मार्केट इशू
See, Baba, that issue has been there for 25 years. See, I'll give you, see, now that issue also, no, that had progressed nowhere. Even when Suren was mayor, that issue had not progressed anywhere. It was us that basically got all the paperwork done. He used to shout, see, Suren would start every meeting now with a list of all the things that have not been done. I see that thing now as a list of all of his failures. Whatever he has not acknowledged, we have done during our tenure also. So that is all I want to say.
न्यू फेज केन्ना
Sorry?
अनेक फेज येवपाचो आशिल्लो पण
That again, I had explained to him. We are applying for zone change for conversion. So more people get shops and we can, the revenue of CCP will increase.
then how come CCB is collecting garbage from casinos?
See, jurisdiction to give licenses is not with the corporation, as Uday and all have said. We cannot do anything about that. If they are here and we have to collect the garbage, no, it's not really like it's not an issue. All the garbage is treated and whatever thing they're paying for. So it's not a
पण
problem.
ज्युरिडिक्शन काय पडना न्हू ती
Good. Licensing, you're talking about licensing, but see, what Uday said is correct. We have not brought this thing. We have not brought the casinos into Benjamin.
So what are
Rohit, the market issue, that is the third phase is still it is not been started.
We also now we are planning on approaching the PPP board to get it done also. So we will approach the CM's office and get it done through that.
कितना टाइम लागतलो पण CCB
We will see once elections are over. Now we'll just check and see. Okay. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
जब हम दवाइयाँ खरीदते हैं या कार, कपड़े, जूते, यहाँ तक कि बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए भी कुछ चुनते हैं तो कितनी रिसर्च करते हैं ना। हमेशा सबसे अच्छा ही लेना है, ये सोचते हैं। लेकिन जब बात आती है खाने पीने की चीज़ों की, तो न जाने क्यों हम बिना देखे ही कोई भी ब्रांड उठा लेते हैं। क्या आपने कभी पैकिंग पर +F का निशान देखा है? यह फोर्टिफाइड प्रोडक्ट का संकेत होता है। मतलब इसमें ज़रूरी विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स मिलाए गए होते हैं, जिससे वो और भी ज़्यादा हेल्दी बनते हैं। पंचामृत इंडस्ट्रीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ये एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो अपने ज़्यादातर प्रोडक्ट्स को फोर्टिफाइड बनाता है, यानी आपकी सेहत का पूरा ख्याल। तो अगली बार जब भी आप खाना, तेल या कोई भी खाद्य वस्तु खरीदें, +F का निशान ज़रूर देखें, क्योंकि सेहत से बड़ा कोई समझौता नहीं।